We at Linde constantly strive to be closer to our customers and develop solutions for the challenges you face. Therefore, we know that tracking down the right spare parts for a plant can be a demanding task. The necessary information is often hard to find, and in certain cases, it's only available in paper form and could be outdated. This can cost valuable time and resources. With the Linde PlantServe portal, we have created a tailor-made solution. This innovative online platform provides convenient solutions for customers to get things done. Using the PlantServe portal, customers find the right spare parts easily using intelligent plant documents and can order them directly from vendors. Spare parts planning and requests are easily done by adding the parts to your shopping cart and sending it to Linde. Linde takes care of getting competitive quotations for the parts you need, ensuring the technical compatibility. All that's left for you to do is to select the best offer and place the order directly with the vendor. The Linde PlantServe portal simplifies spare part management and provides you with numerous benefits, making life easier and giving you more time to focus on even more important issues. For more details, visit our homepage and get connected.